Hey girl, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla. So I know in these next two videos I'm wearing the same shirt that keeps slipping down and I don't know why I keep wearing it. I know I'm wearing the same shirt and that's because I didn't want to change, only because my makeup's the same in these next two videos and I was like, why am I gonna change my shirt if my makeup is the same? Today's video, I went to Tjmaxx. I'm gonna show you guys some footage of me going into Tjmaxx and I'm gonna show you guys what I bought at Tjmaxx. So we have another haul. I need to stop. Before we get into today's video, please be sure to hit that subscribe button to join the K-Babe family. I'm super close to 25,000 subscribers. Yes, I am doing a giveaway, so if you would like something particular in this giveaway, please leave it in the comments down below so I can be sure to go purchase it, like a makeup palette. Do you want the Norvina palette? Oh, that's upside down. Do you want the Norvina 2 palette? Let me know because I'm gonna buy it, but I'm debating on buying it for myself or buying it for the giveaway. So just let me know in the comments down below. Or if you want one of these, I'll buy one of these. Just let me know in the comments down below and we can do a giveaway, okay? And without further ado, let's get into today's video. Pumpkin stuff! Oh my gosh. Okay, we got some Too Faced Cocoa Contour that seems really, I wanted this for a long time and I never bought it. Eye prep. I'm thinking of getting this, I don't know. Unicorn. And we also got some Subculture, but we know how that went. Oh, that's cool. Yes. It's $12.99. Some Laura Geller lash gloss, triple benefit. Some color luster. So these are same old for this. Oh my gosh. Dude. I've never tried this one. But it's here. There's the waterproof version as well. But I'm probably gonna get this. Dude. Oh, okay. So I've been seeing a lot of these Anastasia bronzers everywhere. Oh, I am so sorry. I just got like hypnotized by this. So much good stuff. Okay, Smashbox. Coming with the Smashbox, I got some melted lipstick. Dude, they have the liquid metals. Okay, Marc Jacobs. Shameless foundation. I wonder what shade that is. Something else I found, a Too Faced white peach palette for $20. So I picked up a couple things. I just want to make sure I have everything. I didn't get too many things. I literally picked up like a small amount of things from Tjmaxx. Let me put myself to the side. I purchased 4 makeup products and 1 not makeup product, but it is still beauty related. So I wanted to show it to you guys. The first thing I picked up was the Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Starfish. I have it on my lips right now. If you guys want to see this in play, like in, you know, go mode. If you guys want to see me using it, stay tuned for, oh, you know what? It's already, like, I thought I was gonna be able to get this video up by Wednesday, but it's already Thursday. So I'll probably post a video today and then screw it. I'll post the video on Friday too because I'm filming 2 videos in one and I do want to get 2 videos up this week. Or I can post on Saturday. Just stay tuned. If you guys are subscribed, you'll get post notifications from me. Well, you won't get post notifications unless you hit the bell. So hit the bell to get post notifications. But I'm gonna put a post up. So if you guys are subscribed and have your post notifications on, you will get a post from me letting you know that, hey, I'm uploading today on Friday, or I'm gonna be uploading on Saturday. So we'll just see. And you can leave it in the comments down below too, because this video is going up tomorrow, or today, technically Thursday, because it's already midnight. So yeah. Anyway, if you guys want to see that, that's a super long ramble. I'm sorry about that. If you guys want to see this in motion, I am wearing it in my next video that will be up. So stay tuned for that. Basically is what I'm saying. Stay tuned, subscribe, hit the post notification bell so you know when I'm uploading, okay? Okay, I can't do this too much because this shirt likes to play. Got the shade Starfish from Anastasia. Absolutely love it. Let me do a little swatcheroo here for you guys. And I am terrible at swatches. If you guys haven't already figured that out by now, that is gorgeous. I am like, okay, the last lipstick that I got was Knock on Wood from Dose of Colors, and I thought that was like the perfect nude shade. This is, okay, you know what? No, this isn't in comparison because it's nude, but it's still like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, it gives me like Kat Von D bow and arrow vibes a little bit, you know, but not so much of like the vampy gray cool tone to it. You know, do you get what I'm saying? Anyway, I really like it, okay? So I picked that up. Then I also picked up the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Dark as a contour shade. Excuse my boyfriend in the background, sorry. I picked this up as a contour shade and I do have it on today. Okay, I don't want to ruin it, but go check out the next video. So again, stay tuned. I really like it. That's all I'm saying. I really like it. It's super good. I love it. It's gorgeous. And I was debating on getting a darker shade because they do have that. The reason why these colors more than likely are in my Tjmaxx is because where I live, there's not a lot of darker skin tones around here. So shades like this, they don't really sell. And I don't think people use these kinds of concealers for contouring. Who knows? I don't know. The next thing I picked up was the Stila. Oh my god. I picked up the Stila Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. And oh, I thought this was like the Magnificent Metals. Okay, that's why. Okay, they had a ton of these. And the thing about this is that a lot of them, the color settled. And this is the only one that looked pretty decent because the rest of them, like the color on the top would be like a pretty like blue or turquoise or a hot pink. And the shade inside was white, kind of like the color, like the dye, whatever they used to make it that color, kind of just like all got sucked out or like put into like, or they were defected. I don't know, because it was mostly like silver or like white, like clear. And then there would be like a thin like layer of color in the middle, like right here. Or there was some where the color was distributed all along, but it wasn't mixed in well. There was one that was supposed to be red. Oh my gosh, if that's online, I'm gonna go purchase it because I can see how it was supposed to look, but that's not how it looks, so I did not purchase it. I really wanted to get it, but I didn't. So this was $8.99. I forgot to mention the other two prices, I'll tell you right now, but let me swatch this for you guys. It's gorgeous. It's not what I thought it was going to be, but it's still honestly really nice. I do have it in my eyes today, but I have it mixed with a shade. I'm sorry, I put that right over my other swatch. So again, your girl's not good at swatching. I'll get better, okay? We are slowly growing and learning here. So I hope you guys can grow and learn with me. So it retailed for $12. I think these actually go for $18. And I purchased it for $9, $8.99. The Anastasia liquid lipstick was $7.99, and like you're gonna see this anyway. And the Too Faced Born This Way concealer was also $8.99. The last makeup product I bought because I was looking for Lily lashes because I had seen it in somebody else's video that their Tjmaxx had Lily lashes and mine sadly didn't. But in that area they had the brushes, and I came across this brush set and I was just like, oh my gosh, this looks gorgeous. Like, the brushes actually look very decent and like they would work really well. I do not know if these are they're hyperallergenic and latex free. That's what it says. But it doesn't say anything else. But they have to be synthetic because they wouldn't be this inexpensive. They normally retail for, let me see, hold on. They normally retail for $8 and I got this for $5, but it is a 5-piece eye brush set from Kenzie, and I've never heard of this brand. I'm really excited to try it, so yeah, stay tuned. I did not use this in my next video only because I wanted to show you guys the clean brushes. So yeah, I will be using it in my following video or the next time I use this, because I think I might do a nail video sometime next week. I'll probably film it tomorrow or something. The last thing I purchased was because I'm really trying to take care of my feet. Being an athlete, I never took care of my feet, so my toes are really busted and I'm trying to fix them. I hate showing my toes, my feet, anything like that. So I'm really trying to get back on track with that. And this is the Earth Therapeutics Refreshing Foot Scrub. And apparently it's a minty scent to it. I bought it for $4. Oh, that is minty. But you know what? That reminds me of Christmas. Oh my God, I was literally about to say, it reminds me of Christmas because it's like a wintry minty scent to it. And it has a bunch of snowflakes on it. So I'm guessing this is like a winter, I don't know. This is environmental friendly. Oh, that's nice, because foot scrubs or any kind of scrubs, if you know, the products, like the little beads that they usually use, don't break down when you wash them in the drain, and they end up back polluting the earth and in the ocean and whatnot. So that's really good. I didn't even realize, and I need to start looking at more stuff like that. It is also cruelty free. It's not tested on animals, so that's really nice. I really wanted to try this out for my feet. I really needed a foot scrub for my feet, obviously. And I have a pumice stone in my shower that I like to use whenever I shower, but I really wanted a scrub to go with it because I do try to scrub my feet every time I shower. So I really wanted to get a scrub to put on there because I just use the pumice stone. I don't put my soap on there or anything just because I feel like the soap's not really gonna do anything. So I really do want to use this and also just, you know, rub it with my hands as well. So yeah. Oh my gosh, it smells really good. And the thing is, I don't like minty stuff. You know, I like mint gum only because I don't like gum, and I like for my breath to be fresh and not disgusting. I have a phobia of bad breath. Does anybody else have that phobia? I do. So anyway, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know if you would like to see more videos like this where I go to my Tjmaxx's, and maybe go to multiple Tjmaxx's, because I know my Tjmaxx's oh my God, I seriously cannot talk. My Tjmaxx's, Marshalls, not Burlington. Burlington's okay. Okay, you know, Burlington's alright, but like, no, not even Ross. So Marshalls and Tjmaxx is where it's at, where I live. Yeah, so if you guys want to see me go into that more, because again, these are my favorite stores. Like legit, I'm in there all the time and I need to stop. I started taking my boyfriend to them and I think he's obsessed too, so. Anyway, I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye guys!